Odoo Project Module. What we cover in this video: create a project and task, task creation and overview, task management, subtask management, task analysis reporting. Create a project and task, navigate to projects, new. Enter the project name. Enter project stages such as new, in progress, and done. Click the plus icon to create a task. Add the task name, assignees, set a color and priority. Same thing do for created more task. In Kanban view, drag and drop the task to move it to another stage. Task management. Click a task to open it in form view. Enter the milestone, tags, and planned date. In the description tab, add detailed information about the task. Subtask management. Click the side arrows to move to the previous or next task. In the subtask tab, click Add a line, enter the subtask title and assignees, then save. A smart button displays the total number of subtasks and the number that are closed, done, or canceled. Click it to view the subtask list. In the Blocked By tab, click Add a line, select the task, and click Done. The current task status will change to waiting. Once the blocking task is marked as done, you can proceed with the current task. Task analysis reporting. Go to Reporting, Task Analysis. Use filters, e.g. My Tasks, Completed, Date Range. Use Group By, Project, Assignee, Stage, Deadline. Click Measure to view planned, effective, or remaining hours. Switch between bar, pie, line charts, or pivot table.